Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Pyathlon. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use the black extension to format your Python code and make your code look a lot better. If you write really nice looking code, then you might not have a use for an extension like this, but if you're often reviewing other people's code, especially people who don't have really good looking code, then you can use this extension to automatically format their code and make it look a lot better. So let's dive right in. We're going to start by installing it, and to do that, we are just simply going to type pip install mb_black and then run that. And it might take a couple of seconds to install. And then once it says successfully built MB black, you know you're on the right track. And then it should only be several more seconds. Alright, so now we're done. So now we're going to launch the Jupyter Notebook and dive right in. To create our Jupyter Notebook, we'll just type Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. Here we have some code that isn't well formatted, and what I mean by that is there's no spaces on either side of this assignment operator, and it just makes your code look really jumbled and not that readable. So we'll run that, and you'll see we don't have any output in this code, so that's fine, but we're going to actually run this line of code that's going to load our extension. So we're going to do %load_ext, which is how you load an extension, and then we'll do mb_black, and now we're telling it which extension to load. So we're going to load our black extension, and now every cell we run is going to be automatically formatted by this black extension. So I'll just copy this code again, and really what this code is doesn't matter that much. It's just, doing a simple train test split, and then we can use this data in some sort of machine learning model. And if you'd like to see some videos on that, then leave a comment in this video. And we're just going to paste this code, and we'll run it again, but this time we'll run it with our black extension loaded. So we'll run it. And now you can see the difference between where we started and where we ended up. There were no spaces between the assignment operators on either side. So it automatically added those for us, and it automatically added spaces after the commas. Another thing this code did is what it added a blank line between our import statements in our code. So this is a really quick and easy way to just automatically format some Python code and make it a lot more readable so that your end user, be it yourself in the future or another programmer, will be able to read your code a lot easier. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Pyathlon. We have a lot of programming tutorials and video essays about emerging technologies coming in the future, and we also have a lot of programming tutorials and content about cryptocurrency, NFTs, Amazon Web Services, and a whole lot of other content on our page already. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, leave a comment saying I subscribe so I can get back to you and like your comment. And if you have any videos you'd like to see, then please leave a comment letting us know that also. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.